I'm in the robotics lab today. You can hear the printer going. My art history girls are doing the ancient Mediterranean that just finished, and now we're on early Europe. But one of the things that I wanted them to do was to 3D print an art object from these units that we've been working on, so they can actually see the sculpture and hold it in their hands and stuff. I just feel like it's a very different kind of learning. But so there's a really cool project called Scan the World, where museums and institutions can upload scans of culturally important objects, artifacts. There's some from architectural sites and archaeological sites and things like that. But it's really, really cool, and all of these objects are available for free to be 3D printed. But so each of them has picked an object, and I have the 3D printer going, and I had set it up to do. Prusa has a Nefertiti bust in their files, like in the pre-made files and things, and I was like, oh, that's perfect, I'll do that one as a sample, and then we can start on their objects. But I think it got cold in the lab overnight, so we accidentally decapitated Nefertiti, and the rest of her turned into spaghetti pasta. I think what happened is that the temperature dropped, and then there were adhesion problems, but it's so bad. So we're back to printing the 3D benchy, just to make sure that everything is going the direction it should be going, but that's how today is starting, so wish me luck.